Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
We run date on 21st, not 25. Yeah. So the last time integration ran was last week, on 21st of April. Yeah, at 8 p.m. Pacific. Yeah. So my question is, shouldn't this worker be included in the previous run? No, it don't, because he entered 22 after the last month. Absolutely. So yeah. So just from Mohan, both of you are correct when you say that so on the 21st of April, could it have been included? No, right. This worker fee did not even exist in Workday as of 21st of April 20 PS. Isn't it? When was the entry made? On the 25th. Right. But now the question comes. Will it be included? The 19th of April is not between 21 and 28. Then why wouldn't it be included? Well, let's go back and revisit our parameter. Effective date. What does it say? The effective date parameter says the integration extracts all changes with effective dates on or before this date. On or before this date. So this is slightly different than what we have for the as of entry moment comparisons. So anything which is effective on or before this date will be included. Got it. Understood. So yes, coming back to your answer. Yes, you are right. Worker C will be included. That's absolutely correct. I'm happy you got that right. What could D? What do you think? No, they want to. What could be? What not been included? Alright. So it's what says, it will not be included. I will take that as one of the answers. Does anyone think differently? Yeah, it's going to be man, so I think it is. It will be. It will be. You want to change your answer? You want to change your answer? So you are saying what? Now you're saying it will be included. Alright, let me keep both the answers for the type being. It will be in the system. Here in the system. Yeah, when was the entered 15th of April, right? You'll see if you've been in the system. What could be in the system? But shouldn't work. Do you have been included in any of the previous runs? It has been entered long ago, right? The effect is, it is. Okay, it is again. So it will be added. We should have gone in this run. Yes, you are right. Now I'm saying yes, you're right. Now explain or rephrase your answer now. The entry was added on the 15th of April. That's correct. But why wouldn't this worker have been included in any previous run? Maybe the 21st run. Because? Yes, because it was not effective. Exactly. It was not effective on or before 21st of April. It was not effective, so all of the 15th of April. This was a future dated hire. Yeah, correct. On 15th of. If today is the 15th of April, if you look at the worker today, and let's say today is 15th of April, then worker D is what? A future dated hire, correct? Oh yeah. Is it similar to worker B? Worker B. We have made the entered entry to date when the 6th of April. But it's a future dated hire. Exactly the same reason that worker B did not get included in today's run is the same reason by worker D did not get included in the run on the 21st of April. Correct. It was not included on the 21st of April run. It is only getting included on this run because it became effective when this takes the April is between 28th of April and 21st. Right. Effective date. Comparisons between this date and this date. That is why this worker will be included in this run. Understood change detection now. You will be honest question, yeah. You know, can you explain me that for 4, 6 and the 7th row? These are launch parameters. These are parameters that we will enter when we launch the integration. Remember when we had some prompts? When we created a report, we were looking at workers who were hired between 2 dates, from latent to late. Remember. So why? Why didn't we do that? We wanted to filter the number of workers who had a higher date between those 2 dates. Correct. Of course, similarly, when we created integration and we launched the core connector worker, it will prompt me for these 4 dates. It will always prompt me for these 4 dates. So I have to enter. So you see by default, the as of entry moment is the current moment. By default, the effective date is today's date, and in the default I can change it, of course. But by default, these are today's date and today's effective moment. Now what is the last successful effective moment? What is the last successful effective date? So when you run this integration on a schedule, every day, every month, every week, whichever is your schedule. So it tries to take this value last successful as of every moment. So the last time the integration ran, the last time it ran, what was the as of entry moment in that run? It stores that information. It's used with it in the next run as the last successful as of entry moment. Got it. This is the as of entry moment from the previous run. That is what it needs to understand. And I think, okay, from what time or till what time? I have already read. It is like a bookmark. It says okay. I've already read the records as of 21st of April 8 p.m. PST. I've already read that. I've already know the changes that has happened till that particular date and time. Now I'm looking for changes between 21st of April and 28th of April. Otherwise, if it was always taking all the workers, all the changes, then it would be creating duplicates, isn't it? That's why it looks at only these things. Yeah, I mean, this is a significant software. Unless you change detection. Let me get some idea of it. Alright. So now let me ask you an interviewed level question. For worker D, okay. For worker D, we are not looking at hire workers now.
Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.